Hello students, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem. So let's start the video. Here are the learning target for today. Point number 1, define the Pythagorean theorem. Point number 2, define a right triangle. Point number 3, apply the Pythagorean theorem. Are you ready for learning with Tripathi sir? Okay, let's start with introduction. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. Let's talk about history. The ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher Pythagoras is credited with discovering this relationship in the 6th century BCE due to the prominence of his religious mathematical school in Crotone, Italy. Said it was likely independently discovered in several different cultures. There is evidence of its use in Egypt, Babylon and China as far back as the 20th century BCE. Here are some visual proofs. The Pythagorean theorem has been proved through hundreds of methods and new proofs are still being discovered. Here is an example of a visual proof showing the squares of the sides. Notice 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Understanding right triangles. A right triangle is any triangle with one right angle. The two sides that form the right angle are called the legs. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. A right angle creates many special relationships between the sides and angles of the triangle and is the basis of the mathematical branch of trigonometry. Now we learn about how to use the Pythagorean theorem. Identify the two legs of the triangle and the hypotenuse. Note their lengths and determine which side you are trying to find. Substitute your lengths into the Pythagorean theorem equation and solve for the missing value. Identify the two legs of the triangle and the hypotenuse. Note their lengths and determine which side you are trying to find. Substitute your lengths into the Pythagorean theorem equation and solve for the missing value. So hope you understand well. Do practice of some question and like this video. Subscribe our channel Learning with Tripathi sir for any question, ask in comments. Thanks for watching.